Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer crypto from Webull Pay to external hardware wallets. So I'll start with the first one, which is to open Webull and go to Crypto tab and launch the Webull application and sign in. So from the top menu, tap on the Crypto tab to view your crypto portfolio and you will see your total crypto value, holdings, and full crypto list, including BTC, ETH, and more. Next is select your coin and tap transfer. So tap on the coin that you want to move, like for example, the Bitcoin, and on the coin detail page, scroll to the bottom and tap on transfer, then choose transfer out to withdraw the crypto to an external wallet. Next up is paste your hardware wallet address. So open your hardware wallet like Ledger Live, Trezor Suite, and etc. And then copy your BTC received address and paste it into Webull's wallet address field. Now select the correct network like Bitcoin network for BTC and then enter the amount and review the network fee. So sending on the wrong network will lose your funds. Next up is verify with 2FA code. So Webull will email a 6-digit authentication code. So you just have to enter it on the verify withdrawal screen and tap confirm. So the code expires in 10 minutes. So request a new one if it's time's up. Lastly is withdrawal submitted. So you will see a green check mark and withdrawal submitted. The status stays pending until the network confirms. So that's usually 10 to 30 minutes for BTC. So tap view on blockchain to track the transaction. Then confirm it lands in your hardware wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!